Hey, if you are wondering if you can find translate languages function on the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 FE, then the answer is yes and no. And what I mean, if you have the Samsung device, like for example Galaxy S24 series or Fold Flip 5 or newer, and if you are connected with them, then there's actually option to do that. So you will have to actually download the interpreter application, use Galaxy AI, and that's actually option to use them. But if you don't have Samsung phone or tablet, then there's actually no way to actually translate languages. So if you are wondering how can I actually use this languages translation in the real time, then I'm gonna record second video. That was just an informative video for everyone that looking for that information, if that function is supported. It's not built into this device. It's actually make translation through your Samsung device, like tablet or phone. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.